Welcome to this charming Tennessee house on 6.8 acres where privacy, space, and country living come together beautifully. This three-bedroom, one-bath property is perfect for anyone looking to enjoy wide-open land, serene views, and a peaceful retreat away from the hustle and bustle. Hobby farming, or creative projects. The open land surrounding the house provides endless possibilities, whether it's gardening, raising animals, or simply enjoying the natural beauty. Step outside and take in the wide open views, fresh air, and peaceful surroundings. The property's natural setting creates a perfect backdrop for morning coffee, evening relaxation, or weekend gatherings with friends and family. Whether you're exploring the acreage or unwinding on the porch, this Tennessee house offers a true sense of calm and freedom. The location combines rural tranquility with convenience. Just a short drive to the interstate and only minutes from nearby amenities, you can enjoy country living without sacrificing accessibility. It's an ideal combination for anyone seeking space, privacy, and practicality. This Tennessee house is perfect for full-time living, a weekend retreat, or even a small-scale hobby farm. With its versatile pole barn, open land, and peaceful setting, the property is ready to accommodate a variety of lifestyles and activities.